Hello everyone and welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. In today's video, I want to show you how I made $411 from just one order on Fiverr. That's right, one customer, one order, and they paid me $411. And believe it or not, this isn't the largest order that I've ever received, but this is, I think, the second largest order that I've ever received. And this is, I think, because I had one that was bigger than this before. I think it was $600, and I actually canceled that order and didn't go through with it. But this one, I did go through with it. I did get paid $411, and actually, the order was for about $360, and I got a $54 tip. So all in all, $411. Let's jump into my Fiverr account and show you some stats. So on the earnings, you'll see, I think the last time I did a Fiverr video, you saw that this income was around $1,500. That was a week and a half ago. And now you'll see that I'm getting close to $2,000 net income here. And my, you'll see how I have some cash that will be clearing over the next couple of weeks, and you'll see over here all the funds that are going to be clearing. $288 there, $43 there, $28 there, $444. And so when you let's look at the analytics real quick, and you'll see that this has gone up as well because of that large order. This was at $12 and now it's almost at $15. Selling price, average selling price, and 169 orders completed, $1,920 there. So the last 30 days, you can see I updated you guys because, I kind of turn Fiverr on and off. When I want to make a little extra cash, I will go ahead and turn Fiverr back on. And I've proven time and time again throughout the years that I can turn Fiverr on anytime I want. I can take a 6-month break, even up to a year break, turn it back on, and then just start making money again. It's real simple. Your account, I think your account carries some weight because you will see, I'll show you in a second, you'll see how many 5-star reviews I have, and my seller rating is really high. And I think that if you have good ratings on a gig, it will naturally start appearing and people will pick it up and start buying it again. If you've established a good, reputable reputation and a solid gig that you're offering. And my main gig is voiceovers that I have had the most success on. But this order that I made $400 on is actually not a voiceover gig. So pretty cool stuff. So you'll see in the last 30 days, I just kind of turned it back on just in March, really. And you'll see there's tips, $43.20 on tips. That's what I'm getting paid out. But the order was actually $411. If you look at the last 3 months, and that's what you'll actually see, that January, February, March. So you can see that I did I don't know if I had my gigs on in January, but I turned it on at the end of February, I believe, and there's $12. Made a little bit here and there, 8, 4, 8, and then made a really big order. Really good stuff. And you'll see I got my response rate back. It was down in the 80s, and so this was red. So this will give me the opportunity to move up a level again, which is great. And you can see that, I've got 110 5-star ratings, and only a couple people have rated me lower than that. And let's go back up in here, and we will go to, I'm going to show you my gigs, some of the gigs, and you'll see that active gigs, I don't have any active gigs. See, I don't have any active gigs at all right here. I've paused them all now because I'm going to focus on my courses, my Udemy courses right now. But you'll see that if I go to orders, I'm going to show you that real quick, that I just got done completing I got to go to completed here. And so I just got done completing that order, which was right here. So it was, it's actually, I created a course for somebody on Udemy. It was a 1-hour course, and they paid me $414, and they gave me a 5-star review, which is great. And I, to be honest, I actually had another handful of customers that were just ready to getting ready to pull the trigger on placing large orders as well. So I probably had a good $1,000 or $1,500 in the bucket ready to go of customers going to order this. But this gig, you are working for it. I didn't make $400 in 10 minutes. This isn't like a magic way of making money. This is a service-based way of making money. And if you have time, or you want to make some extra income, Fiverr is a great place. And I can show you right now that I just made $414 on one order, which is just kind of blew my mind a little bit. That was pretty awesome. And at the same time, I had gotten another offer. Someone ordered extra fast delivery for a kinetic text video with human voiceover, which is a very, very unique gig. No one else is offering. I'm sharing that with you guys. And I got a $35 order there, right? And then over here, I got a voiceover gig ordered right there. Boom. So you can see that this wasn't just one gig. These are 3 gigs right here that I got all placed within, these 2 were placed on the same day for different gigs. And so at one point I had a good $450 in the bucket, ready to go. But you just know on Fiverr, there are easier gigs you can sell. You're not going to make $400 in one sell. Selling PLR or selling backlinks, things that can be automated. And if you can sell a gig for $5 and get it done in less than 10 minutes, then it's well worth your time. But you don't want to be selling services for $5 that take you 30 minutes or an hour to do, because then you're wasting your time, and you could use that time in a much more valuable way online. So just wanted to share this with you guys, that it is possible to offer a service on Fiverr and get paid $400. And with that said, I also want to show you one of the gigs I canceled. The last gig that I canceled was just a few months ago, back in December of 2019. Someone bought a course from me for $600, and I canceled it. I knew it was going to take too much time, even at the $600 mark. It was going to take too much time, and I just didn't want to do that gig with them. But you can see, look, $50 order here, so a $75 order here for it's the same customer. Guys, look at this. So really, you can be very successful on Fiverr. I just wanted to share that. I'm going to get back in here real quick, and I'm going to go ahead and wrap the video up. So if you have anything that you want to suggest for a video, making money online in any way, I have a lot of experience in almost everything online. So just suggest it below if you want to see something. Talk more about what I do online to make money. Just leave it in the comments, and I appreciate that. If you're interested in taking your online business to the next level, check out my top recommended opportunity right now with the first link in the description. And last but not least, if you liked this content, please consider liking and subscribing. It helps support the channel, helps me to continue making great videos like this, showing you how it's possible to make real money online. And I just showed it to you. Right now, I just showed you how it's very possible to work from home and get $400 orders from one customer, $600 from another customer, $50, $75, and you can make this into a full-time gig. So if you want to see more videos like that, please like and subscribe. Again, appreciate your attention, watching this video. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks again, guys. Take care.